Hello friends, we have today our grammar tutorials. Ought, O-U-G-H-T, ought to. Now that is just like should. That is interchangeable. You can use ought or you can use ought to or you can use should. Now the basic meaning of course like should is advice. So that you are tired, you ought to see a doctor. That is the advice. You are tired or you are sick. You are sick. You ought to see a doctor. Or you can say, you ought to confess the matter. You ought to confess the matter. Don't hide it. You ought to go to the class. You ought to go to the class. You ought to pluck some mangoes today. Because mango tree is plenty of fruit. So we ought to. Not we ought to. So that is an advice. We ought to. So we should do that. Then in questions and in negatives, British English can use ought, but the Americans use should. For example, ought we to do it? Ought we to do it? This is question. This British English, be. The Americans will say, should we do it? That is American. And negative also, we ought not do it. We oughtn't do it. Americans will say, we should not do it. So that is the thing. It doesn't matter. That's a preference now. If you want to speak American English, you can speak American. If you want British English, you can use British English. That's all. Understand? Now that's about advice. Now we come to an extended meaning. Again, it is just like should. And it's inferred meaning. So you say like that, standing here, we ought to see the Tiger Park. So that is an inferred possibility or probability. So if we stand here, we ought to see. From here, we ought to see the sunset. From here, we ought to see the sunrise. Or you can say, from there, you ought to see the full moon. Or from that place, you ought to see the eclipse. Solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. So that is an inferred possibility. I have studied well, I ought to pass this time. I have studied well, I ought to pass this time. I have prayed well, I ought to get a cure. This, I ought to. So novena I have done, so perfectly well. Definitely he says, I ought to. I ought to get a cure, not out of it. That is inferred possibility. The other is reprimand or reproach. For example, we say reprimand or reproach, that is angry. No, reprimand get a bit angry and also some use what something you have done you could not do. Something you should do, did not do. That is the meaning. See, for example, we say you ought to have looked after the wounded traveler in the Good Samaritan story. You ought to have. The priest must have gone to his superior and he must have reported, on the way I saw a wounded person, I did not bother because I thought that it will be, I will defile myself, say I am coming for a vote. And the superior must have said that, oh, what a nonsense you did. You ought to have helped that wounded man. That is reproach. You ought to have. Isn't it? Same thing. When the prodigal son came back, his elder brother was angry. Then a third person said, you ought to have welcomed him. Instead of saying like this, you ought to have welcomed him. Reproach. Understand? So you ought to have done this. So that is, say for example, in the examination hall, you have 2 pens. The boy sitting next to you has only 1 pen. And that 1 pen has gone on strike. He cannot write with that. You have 2 pens, and you are keeping, you are looking. But when you come out, your teacher, you would have given one. No, such you have done. The poor man could not write his exam completely. You ought to have given. Same thing you should have given. I think it is simple and clear because should we have done. So it's exactly like that, not out to put. Okay? So why? But remember, break the chain, crush, Korun. So keep this in your mind and do accordingly. Tell others also. Let us together fight this pandemic that has affected that is threatening, so to say, the human race. So bye, have a nice time, enjoy your